it as a bill, as an order. But anyway, experience certificate is fine to give for people who are on my payroll. In the sense, they are either apprentice, trainees or company employees on my roll. That experience certificate we definitely give, and we still give. We give regularly. But if there's somebody on a contract basis, on a casual basis, who comes for 2 months, 3 months, maximum maybe 4-5 months, how we can give them experience certificate? It's not possible. Because contractor brings people today because we want number of people. Today there will be 5 people, tomorrow they want some new people come. For that the contractor will have to give them experience certificate. Like today he has put him with me, tomorrow with another company. So it's not possible. For casual labor, contract labor, it is not possible experience certificate. This order came only yesterday. We have not really discussed it internally amongst the members, but we'll have to take it forward and review it. In fact, today evening we are supposed to meet with some of our association members. We'll discuss this and then take it up with the government. Because recently also there was another bill that is being put up by the government, but not yet, order is not yet come up, regarding the advertisement registration with employment exchange before recruiting people. And where the government has put heavy penalty if you don't do it, with even arrest of the employer. So that is under discussion.